Hello and welcome to this short video in which I'm going to share with you some job hunting tips for landing your first job with no experience and with no degree. You heard me right. No experience and no degree. That is the most difficult part, right? So, how can you find your first job, especially when you have no experience and no degree? What are the things that you can do? Let's take a look at that. So, getting a job, especially with no experience, requires you to think carefully and take some strategic steps, right? Make sense? So, you start by creating a compelling resume, a resume that will make people sit up and that highlights any relevant skills or achievements, even if they are not work related. If you play football well, you have captained but you haven't, so you can say I have great leadership capabilities and I have captain football team in my school. And then you tailor your resume to the specific job that you're applying for. Very important. You need to know what job are you applying for and tailor your resume for that. And how can you do that? You can look at one of my courses where we specifically teach you how to create a good CV that will resonate with your recruiters and ask them to make them come and talk to you. Leverage online job platforms and company websites to find suitable job openings. Consider internships or volunteer opportunities to gain practical experience and enhance your resume. Especially when you don't have a degree and no experience, this works wonderfully. Consider internships and volunteer opportunities to get that practical experience and so that you have your resume that can support you. Network with professionals in your desired industry through social media platforms like LinkedIn. Attend job fairs and career events to make connections. And we have a course that is in the description you will find where we tell you how you can network with professionals to find those job opportunities. As a teen or a high school student, explore part time or entry level positions, right? That accommodate your schedule. Emphasize your willingness to learn, very important, and adapt in your job applications. So, your willingness to learn and adapt is critical piece, especially when you have no experience and no degree. Showcase any extracurricular activities or academic achievements that demonstrate your capabilities. Leverage on them. When searching these jobs, be persistent. You have to keep trying and apply for multiple positions. Prepare for interviews, for researching common questions and practicing your response. Highlight your enthusiasm and eagerness to contribute. Even if it's your first job, stay positive. Showcase your strengths and demonstrate a strong work ethic to increase your chances of landing a job. So, finding a job, especially when you have no experience and degree, requires you to work harder and smarter. So, what you can do is take a look at a course that we have described in this description of this video. Find a job through online networking, where you will where we have shared with you our time tested job search practices to find jobs that you can do, you want to do, and you are especially looking for as a job seeker. So take a look at that course, click on the link there to go and look at the free videos there and see for yourself whether that course makes any sense for you.